In the heart of southeastern Sicily lies Modica, a city carved into the rock and shaped by centuries of history. From above, Modica reveals a breathtaking vertical landscape, houses rising one above the other, following the natural curves of the hills. Streets become stairways and architecture blends seamlessly with the land. At the center of this stone labyrinth stands the magnificent Cathedral of San Giorgio, one of the greatest masterpieces of Sicilian Baroque. Its grand staircase climbs toward the sky, leading to a facade that dominates the entire city like a stage set. Modica was rebuilt after the devastating earthquake of 1693, and from that destruction emerged a city of elegance and harmony where every detail reflects the artistry of the Baroque age. From the sky, the geometry of the city becomes a living sculpture, light and shadow moving across stone, revealing depth and texture at every moment of the day. Beyond its architecture, Modica carries a unique tradition. Its ancient method of chocolate making, brought centuries ago and still preserved today. As the sun sets, the city glows in warm golden tones, and the layers of houses seem to merge into one continuous form. Modica, where stone, history, and light create one of the most extraordinary landscapes of Sicily.